Hello friends, now we are going to see the unboxing of Luminous rail set, which is an educational DIY set for the kids to set their own tracks, bridges, make their own bridges for the car, and it's for the kids who are about 2 years of age. It goes this way. So now we are going to see how it works. It's actually the transparent, it has a transparent track which glows in the dark, which makes it interesting for the kids. Now let's see what's inside it. So they have given some 22 pieces of this kind to make the tracks and bridges. There's also one car, but the battery is not included. A AA size battery goes with it, and they have also given many more pieces to make the track. Now let's see how to make it. These small pieces are to join the bridges, which is given in this pic. It's just to make the finishing good. And they have also given a petrol bunk, a model set, and stickers they are given separately so that the kids can enjoy making it. These are all the pieces to connect the bridges as shown in this pic. Now let's see how to fix it. There will be 2 points given under for fixing the bridge. They have also given some posts like this, the lamp post and the traffic signal post and so on. They have given the stickers separately, which the kids can enjoy sticking it and can be used over the bridges. We'll see how to fix it. And here we go.